Hello all, thanks for stopping by. This is a review of the new Amazon Echo Generation 4. It's only been released today, I say hopefully, because it's only just been delivered and I've not opened it yet. I thought I could share me opening it up, setting it up, and playing some music for the first time on it. So let's see what we've got. Apologies for the dog, she's joining in on this review. Let's see what we've got. Okay, there she is. Where's it, Storm? It's the new Echo Dot. Right, peel away the security tab. Get into that. Oh, not been opened yet. And there you go. It's certainly different to the previous generation. That is the Generation 3. That is a Generation 2. I'll try to take that off you, otherwise you'll be squeaking that. Okay, what have we got? Buttons are now on the top side. They look a bit like a PlayStation controller, if I'm honest. Got the same PowerPoint socket. Long since got rid of the USB power thing, so you can't take them out on power bank generator things. And a 3.5mm external speaker port. Right then, let's plug it in, see what we get. So that's a 15-watt charger, that's a bigger one. Okay, now usually while that's going round, it's just setting itself up. When it goes orange, that means it's in setup mode, so we'll wait for that to happen, and then I'll show you how easy it is to set it up eventually. Hello, Storm. There we go. So what was that, 30 seconds or so from turning on? Now then, we're ready to get it set up. You'll need the Amazon Alexa app, so you need to download.
Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa App runter und folge den
I was just about to
Anweisungen.
say all that.
Bonjour,
Not
votre
in French,
appareil
though.
est prêt pour la configuration. Bringing your device online. Just a moment. Your Echo is ready.
Oh, apparently it's ready. Alexa, play some AC/DC.
Shuffling songs by AC/DC on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Okay, now that's happened because I've already got lots of Alexas already set up around the house. Echo Dots, Echo Shows, Echo all sorts of things. Okay, let's assume that you've not already got lots of Amazon Echo Dots dotted about the house and you're wanting to set it up for the first time. What you're going to need to do is get the Amazon Alexa app. You download that from the Google Play Store or from the Apple App Store. Once you've installed that, you'll find it on your tablets or smartphone. From here, if you need any help, there's a question mark up in the top right corner. Alexa devices, Echo Dot, and there's various things that you can look at to help you along the setup process. But let's just give you a quick overview. To set it up for the first time, go to Devices. Top right corner, there's the plus sign. Add device. Now you can either press the big white Amazon Echo button in the middle there, or the All Devices Amazon Echo there. This will then bring you up different types of products. You want the top one, Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Plus, blah, blah, blah. And then it goes searching for your Echo Dot. Assuming it's still in the orange swirly light mode, it'll find it and then set it up for you. It's pretty straightforward. It takes a few moments. Okay, you've got your speaker set up. You want to know how this sound. We've got the three most recent generations of Echo Dots here. The new one that's come out today, the Generation 3, and the Generation 2. The Generation 2 was very, very tinny. You'll hear it in a moment. The Generation 3 I've always thought was pretty good. So we'll see how they all compare though. I'm going to use Back in Black by AC/DC. It's a great tune, but it's also got some good beats from the start. So let's find out how they sound. Turn the microphone on, get them to listen. Alexa, play Back in Black.
Back in Black. by AC/DC on Amazon Music.
Yeah, that sounds awful. Alexa, stop. I'll say at this point, all of these devices are set to 50% or 5 out of 10 as Alexa calls it. Let's try the Generation 3. Alexa, play Back in Black.
Back in Black by AC/DC
Sounds better straight
on
away.
Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. See, that sounded much better, a lot deeper, better on the high notes as well. Much better. Let's check out what the new one's like. Alexa, play Back in Black.
Here's Back in Black by AC/DC on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Now, I'm hard pushed to see much of a difference between those two. If I was really pushed, yes, it sounds slightly better. Now, I have just listened to these at maximum volume, and there's a little bit less distortion on the new Generation 4, but it's only marginal. It's very close. They're both very good speakers for the money, and that is the issue, because at the moment that is RRP $49.99 on release day. That is currently $39.99. On Black Friday, it's going to be a lot cheaper. The Prime Day deals that have just gone, I think it went down to around about $19.99, something like that. That's excellent value. If you can find it for that kind of money, buy it. I'm sure this is going to come down as well during Black Friday, but $49.99 in isolation, that is a very good speaker. But while this thing still exists and is still available for less money, it's a bit harder to justify. Very good speaker, just hard to justify when that's around. So, you've got your Echo Dot set up. What can you do with it? Well, in my opinion, a smart speaker is only really as smart as the devices you plug into it. Things like light bulbs, alarm systems, central heating, things like that. That's when it becomes really smart. But on its own, there's a few things that you can do. You can ask it questions about the weather, movie trivia, things like that. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
At the moment, it's 11 degrees Celsius. Tonight, you can expect a low of 4 degrees.
Or you could ask it, Alexa, when did Derby County play Nottingham Forest?
Nottingham Forest and Derby County will face off tomorrow evening at 7:45 p.m. in the Championship.
That won't be pretty. Beyond that, as it's a speaker, you're going to want it to play songs. Now, if you've got an Amazon account, you're going to get music free, Amazon Music free. Not the full unlimited account, but you get access to a restricted range of music. It's pretty good actually to start off with. Give it a week's trial, see how you get on with it. It is restrictive. You're not going to have all your major pop artists on there, but you never know, you might find it does everything that you want it to do. But if you want to upgrade, you're probably looking around about £10 a month. This is compatible with all the major streaming services such as Deezer, Apple Music, Spotify, and of course Amazon Music. I've got an Amazon Music Unlimited family account. I think it's about £15 a month, and I can share it with I can't remember if it's 5 or 6 members of my family. But it's really good value if you want to share the cost of that. Things like AC/DC, major bands, Michael Jackson, Beatles, things like that, they're only going to be on the full subscription service, but the free one is not bad. As I say though, a smart speaker is only really as smart as the devices you plug into it. Things like your light bulbs. Alexa, turn off the office. Alexa, set the office to purple. Things like that. Central heating devices. We've got a central heating device, Nest. Hive also works. Alexa, what's the temperature inside?
It's 18.
Maybe you want it warmer. Alexa, set the temperature to 20 degrees.
The heat's set to 20.
Central heating is now coming on. We've also got a Ring front doorbell security camera thing. If I ask her to show me the front door, it comes up on my TV screen. We've got all the cameras that are Alexa enabled. So if this is going to be your first smart speaker, all the connected devices, they will come later. I'm not going to deny it. It gets expensive. It's how deep you want to go down the rabbit hole. I've had a smart speaker now for about 3 years. Yeah, 3 years. And since then we've added 30 of these light bulbs. We've got the Nest system. We've got the Ring front doorbell. We've got lots of smart sockets. Casa by TP-Link smart sockets, really, really good. Amazon do their own ones, but the Casa ones I really recommend those. We've got now, how many speakers we got? We must have about 8 or 9 speakers. We did have 2 Sonos ones, which I conducted one of the tests with earlier on. Sold them to my brother-in-law because although they're great sound, the Alexa integration isn't quite so good. I prefer to be able to say, Alexa, play music all the way around the house, and she'll do it on all the Alexa enabled speakers that are Echo Dots. She doesn't do it with the Sonos ones. Integration isn't brilliant there. So I'd rather have the integration rather than the absolute sound quality. I've got hair on my nose. But all these extra gadgets, it's up to you whether you want to get into that. You'll find if you get one, it'll snowball. It becomes quite fun, but it can get expensive. I'm not going to lie. It's how deep down the rabbit hole you want to go. Get another speaker, get some light bulbs, have some fun, see what you can do with it.